Now I'm gonna teach you exercise number 2.5, differentiation question number 10 part 3. 1 by sine inverse of a by x. The first step is always that is equal to 1 by sine inverse of a by x. Expression in the form of y is equal to x is equal to t is equal to, then there is no need to write of superposition. But we can see that this is not in the form of y, x, t, z. So we'll suppose first step is supposition. Y is equal to 1 by a sine inverse of a by x. Now we can see that derivative of sine inverse of x is equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Basically want to find the derivative of sine inverse of x. Now so here we can see that variable is x, so we'll differentiate with respect to x. Both sides, so dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x, d by dx and d by dx. 1 by is constant, so we write outside the derivative and we apply differentiation on sine inverse of x, a by x. As you know that derivative of sine inverse of x is 1 by under root 1 minus x square. So here we write 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square. X here, x is a by x square. Now differentiate. This is not simple x, so we differentiate a by x. Now 1 by a, 1 by under root 1 minus a square is a square and x square. Derivative of a is outside and derivative of x is in the denominator, so we make it numerator by making power negative. A power is positive and take this x in the numerator, positive x become negative x. This is a. Now this a and this a cancel each other. 1 by under root, now we will take LCM, x square divided by denominator divided by denominator, and the answer we getting is multiplied by numerator. X is square divided by 1 x square multiply 1 x square minus as it is x square divided by x square, what we get 1 a square. Now derivative of x inverse of x. Here we apply power rule. According to power, x raised to power n is equal to n x n minus 1. So n is minus 1, x n minus 1. Here 1 by under root x square minus a square, and x square and under root cancel each other. What is left? X is left. Minus 1 and x raised to power minus 2. So this is in the numerator and this is in the denominator. Minus 1, negative 2 become positive 2 when taken the denominator. 2 and x cancel, which is equal to minus 1 by x under root x square minus a square. dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. So derivative of 1 by a sine inverse of a by x is equal to minus 1 by x under root x square minus a square, which is our required solution.